Hey everyone, thank you so much for stopping back by. I am Tia, and today I am coming to you with some very fuchsia lips. Or is it magenta? One of them. I'm coming to you with some very brightly colored lips. I love this color. It's a mix of two glosses that I have. I can't even remember the brand names, but one was dark and one was light, and one was very clearly bright pink, the light one. And yeah, came together nicely. I need to do this color more often. Anyway, back to why you came here. It's vlog a day in May. We're still vlogging every day. Today should be May 19th. It's the day before Fibro Friday, so I believe it's May 19th. I hope you all have had a fantastic week so far. Today is going to just be a simple haul video. I've got some more filming to do tonight, including probably the Fibro Friday video, just so that it's done. But don't worry, I'll give you a costume change and maybe even a lipstick change so it looks very new, like a brand new day, though it probably won't be. Anyway, I think I'm going to be able to do 2 or 3 videos tonight, and this is the first of that series that will be going out over the next few days. So again, this is a haul. I went to Ulta a few days ago. It was Saturday, which should have been the 14th. So I went to Ulta and had a good time getting some things that I needed, all skincare. But this is a small haul. I didn't buy a ton of stuff. I just bought a few things that I knew I needed to replenish, and maybe 1 or 2 things that I wanted to try before I go on vacation in a few weeks, just to make sure that I'm going out as even toned as possible. So that gives you an idea of what's to come in this haul. First thing I bought was some more of the Good Molecules Niacinamide Serum. Now, I'm a huge fan of this. This has edged up past my love of the Ordinary's Niacinamide Serum. And I mentioned to you in the previous video where I reviewed this, and I'll put that somewhere overhead, I said that they had all of the details on the side of the box as far as the ingredients list, but I had already thrown the box away. Well, I've got a new box, so let me show you that. You can see the breakdown of the ingredients in there, which is very nice, percentages and everything. There is no zinc in here, but it has everything else listed, and my skin really likes this, so I'm going to continue using this. But along with this, and I want to make sure before I tell you a wrong thing, along with this, I did buy some more of the Ordinary's Niacinamide and Zinc, and these are running neck and neck in price. At my Ulta, this was $6. This was $6.50. Of course, the thought is, if you love this one so much, why did you buy this? Well, I have a daughter, and I am starting her on her own skincare maintenance routine. And so far, she reacts really well to this. I'm going to let her use up the last of one of my other bottles and then give this to her as her personal bottle. And then once she finishes with this, there'll be enough time for me to see if her skin really likes this formulation. And if so, then I may experiment with the Good Molecules on her to see if her skin likes that one more than the Ordinary, but I need a starting point. So I will start off with the Ordinary for her. And with a 50-cent price difference, it's really not a big deal. She can use either one and I would be fine with it. But I think sticking to one brand while figuring out what her skin likes best is the best idea. And then experiment once I have a baseline of what can be expected with a particular brand's products. Speaking of the Ordinary, the other item I purchased was their Glycolic acid toning solution. I've used this before. I like it. It works very well with all of the other Ordinary products, and I will definitely be using this, not just on my face, but also on the skin of my legs. I have strawberry legs. Glycolic acid can help with the evening out process because it's an excellent but very gentle exfoliant in this particular solution. Let's see, I can also tell you the price of this since I have the receipt here. Like I mentioned, the Good Molecules serum was $6 US. The Ordinary's Niacinamide and Zinc serum, This one was $6.50. And this glycolic acid toning solution is $10 even. Okay. And along with, like I said, I will use this on my face. I'll use it after that cleansing step to exfoliate. But I won't be exfoliating with that all the time on my face, just for maintenance after I complete my Dr. Gross peel pads, which I will be reviewing soon. Should I review that without any makeup on my face so that you can actually see my skin, or should I review it with a beat and then just kind of tell you the reaction? Let me know in the comments and I'll do it the way that you all say. And if you don't say anything, I'll do it how I want. So anyway, I did buy 2 more products, again, skincare, more from Good Molecules because I loved how well their niacinamide worked with my face. I decided to invest in the Discoloration Correcting Serum, which is $12. So this was twice the price of the niacinamide. But again, you've got this ingredient panel right on the side where you can see the breakdown of how much of each ingredient is in this box, rather in this bottle. And it has several very gentle exfoliants. They also have in here niacinamide. It's a 4% amount, so that's really cool as well. So this is supposed to naturally even skin tone. It drops off some tranexamic acid into deeper layers of the skin, and it helps with anti-aging depigmentation. So that's very interesting. This seems to really target discoloration from age, which I don't have really, but I'll still try it because discoloration, in my mind, discoloration is discoloration. But it says specifically for age-related discoloration, this is a good product. And so we'll see. You use it day and night. Same thing with the niacinamides. You use those day and night. Or rather, you start off with one time of day, and then once you know how your skin tolerates it, you increase it to day and night. And the toning solution, let's see, used ideally in the evening, no more than once per day. So use it once per day max. And if you can choose a time of day, choose the evening. Okay. And the last item in this haul, which I'm doing not too bad time-wise, is the Urban Skin RX Retinol Rapid Repair and Dark Spot Treatment. You can see this tendency toward evening skin. And this is $24.99. So this was kind of pricey, actually, compared to the other products. And I used the Urban Skin RX exfoliating pads not very long ago. I will link that overhead as well. I thought that those were a great value, but I thought that the material that they were made out of was rough. This is not going to be made out of a material as far as like cloth. This is a pump. So actually, let's take it out of the box and take a look at it. The rest of those, you've kind of got an idea of what the packaging looks like. This is what the Urban Skin RX one looks like. And here's your pump. So it's got kojic acid and more niacinamide. A lot of companies seem to really be on the niacinamide train for good reason. It's a great product for improving skin appearance. But yeah, it's got azelaic acid, kojic acid, niacinamide, L-glutathione. I don't know why I had a hard time saying that. L-glutathione and alpha-arbutin, and it's working on evening out the skin. Kojic acid, according to the box, comes from mushrooms. Niacinamide is a B3 complex or form, I guess you could say. Retinol is vitamin A derivative. So you've got some good stuff in here. I will not be using this on my face. Again, I'll be using this on the skin where I have the strawberry marks, particularly my legs. I will be using it on that to see if it improves the appearance of it. And we'll see what happens. You know, I'll let you all know if it works or not. So that is it for my Ulta haul. So look out tomorrow for Fibro Fridays. Let me know if you have any questions, and also let me know, should I do that Dr. Gross video with no makeup on, or should I come on with my full beat? Tell me what you think. So I will talk to you all soon. Take care and have a great day. Oh, wait, before I sign off, let's see. The theme for Vlog-A-Day in May has been about ease and joy and taking care of myself, and nothing speaks to self-care quite like skincare. So investing in my skin and the health of it is part of creating more joy in my life, living a softer life, living a more satisfying life, because when I'm pleased with the skin I'm in, literally and figuratively, it radiates out. And same thing with you. So if you haven't given yourself a treat or a compliment today, now's a great time to do it. Treat yourself well, and so that others will know how to treat you. And I will talk to you all soon. Take care.